Good morning. It's another cloudy, gloomy, rainy day here in the Northeast. So what better way to brighten up your day is to showcase some spectacular diamond jewelry we have here at Mina D Jewelry. Whether you're looking for a gorgeous statement diamond bracelet or a cocktail ring, eternity bands with sapphires and rubies, or the classic all diamond eternity band. If you're looking to get engaged, we have engagement rings. We have diamond hoops over 5 carats. We have geometric diamond hoops. Gorgeous diamond pendants and the bold, stunning over 17 carats of diamond tennis 4-row bracelet. Whatever it is you're looking for in diamond jewelry, we can help you. And if you don't see it in our showcase, we can custom design it for you. Let's make your dream diamond jewelry into reality. DM us or check us out at www.minadjewelry.com.